Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's gonna be a slow day, guys. It's the Labor Day in US and Canada, but the week definitely is not going to be slow. We have a couple of very important events that's gonna bring us a lot of volatility, especially when it comes to Euro and Canadian dollar. Over the weekend, nothing much happened, and I really hope you've taken a break because this week is gonna be awesome. So let's take a look what's going on the market. Monday we have nothing in terms of economical events. Labor Day, as I mentioned just now, US and Canada construction, PMI 30 GMT for GBP, and when it comes to the calendar, that's it for today. Tuesday, interest rate decision in Australia, 4:30 a.m. in the morning. After that, Wednesday we have interest rate decision in Canada, 2 p.m. GMT, of course. We have press conference in towards this event. Of course, we talk about just a casual press conference. They're gonna say more about the monetary policy in Canada, but this is not super important. The numbers are more important on Wednesday. Thursday, interest rate decision, Eurozone 11:45. Also very important event. Definitely is going to bring volatility on the euro. Initial jobless claims 12:30. Don't forget, by the way, about the labor market, guys. In US we got a very bad NFP on Friday, and this is very bad for the US economy, because this is what right now Powell and company the Federal Reserve are waiting to see. Stable market, stable labor market, low unemployment rate, and of course low inflation, something that's not completely happening. So we got a very red NFP on Friday, last Friday. Let's see what's gonna be the initial jobless claims this Thursday, 12:30. But the labor market in US is definitely going nowhere. ECB press conference, exactly the same time. Crude oil inventories, crude oil is under pressure, 3 p.m. GMT on Thursday, and Friday we're gonna have a couple of events for the Great British Pound, gross domestic product, manufacturing production, and PPI for US 12:30. So let's take a look what's going on the charts. Very interesting. Euro is pushing down for now since the morning. Again, I repeat, it's gonna be a slow day because due to the labor holiday, but tomorrow everything, the volatility will get back for sure. I am moving this resistance to a new one because we have very clear resistance on this level, 1.19 round number, guys. Round numbers are, they're very important support resistance levels, so that's why this is pretty relevant resistance. On the Great British Pound side, we have a little bit more not clear situation, I would say. 1.3850 is the current price, staying right above the support 1.3814. We can see slight drop, bounce back from this level, or directly going to 1.3180. Anyway, we're in the middle of these two levels, so that's why I would just wait to see what the GBP is gonna do. Australian dollar recovered pretty good, decent. Of course, percentage from the drop, 350 pips from the bottom to the top. Right now staying right above support level 0.74, and just slight drop to the downside is pretty possible. New Zealand US kind of similar, but the recovery is even bigger, 370 pips, staying right above support level 1.7127, 1.71, especially 71 round number is very important level for the New Zealand dollar. Remember, New Zealand and Australia are two countries with pretty low COVID cases, and this is very important, and it will be very important in the near future. USD CAD, I am jumping directly to crude because crude is much more interesting. Crude oil is under pressure, guys. We got very green crude oil inventories, and despite the positive data towards the crude, we definitely see something pretty interesting. The crude is pushing down due to low demand, 69.62, very strong resistance, very well tested here, and even on Friday, and right now is pushing to see 67.93 breaking out eventually, and 65.19 pretty possible. We talk about $3 away from the current price. Crude is performing very well and very clear in terms of price action, in terms of market behavior. So, guys, crude is very, very good to watch. USD Canadian, again, like the New Zealand US, it's staying between the boundaries 1.25, something a level that's nowhere simply, and I would wait to see test of support or resistance. But until then, crude oil, I think, is going to give the direction of the USD Canadian. USD Swiss, I'm totally bearish on that one, even ignoring completely what's going on the recent past. You see just what's going on. It's up, down, up, down, up, down. Pretty big noise on the USD Swiss. USD Swiss is trying, Swiss franc is trying to find direction. Still nothing much. 1.9150. We can see test one more time of the resistance. 0.92. Bounce back from here. It could be definitely very good short opportunity. I'm gonna move this level to a new support, to closer support, 0.91 round number, very well tested here, so careful with these levels, guys. And one of my favorites, of course, USD Japan, even though it's sleeping a bit, but still pretty interesting. It's trying to create lower lows and lower highs, but still moving within these boundaries. 109.67, this support zone and this resistance zone. So I want to see the price out of these levels, and then of course I'm gonna take my action. So this is it for now, guys. A short one. Thank you very much for watching. Of course, share us and like us on the social medias. This is how you support our channel. Thumbs up, comments below if you would like to. Expect my new video on Wednesday, and have a very, very profitable start of the week. Bye bye for now.